All right, this one was supposed to go to the auction. Truck broke down, selling it wholesale price this week. 08 beautiful southern Durango, power seats, reconditioned, ready for years of driving. Has some miles on it, 155, but sunroof, V8. That V8's good and reliable. Let's give her a start. You can listen to it. Transmission shifts perfect. Smooth as silk. Smooth as silk. There we go. AC blows cold, transmission, brakes, everything. Give me a call. 330-501-2948. Completely rust-free underneath, completely rust-free all around. You will not find a Durango like this that has lived its life up north. There you go. Thanks.